Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So as you can see, we got here like the magic circles right now. Just to change them, we should go here into the settings and scroll down to the passwords and security. Now just click here to the fingerprint, draw your pattern and or enter the password. Here click to the fingerprint animation, and now we can just select one from these available animations. For example, I'll go with this one, with the firework, and just go back, lock the device, and try to unlock the device. That's not a firework, okay. And by this way, you can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen, fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.